Hi y'all, my name is Doug. I'm here in Houston at the Hair Club, getting ready to get some new hair. Just come along. Hair loss has affected me in my life as going through hair loss as a younger person, and started noticing hair loss in my early 30s. And it really started to play with my confidence and my ability just to, I didn't feel like I should look that way. Every time I'd look in the mirror, I just did not like what I was seeing in the mirror. I did not like seeing my hair falling out in the sink. I didn't like seeing me age when inside I do not feel as old as I was looking, you know? And I think that's what most people experience now, is they do not recognize the person that's in the mirror, you know? And that's what drove me here. I wanted my wife to see what I see. You know, when I was losing my hair, it didn't look like me anymore. And that really bothered me. You know, I have a beautiful wife, and we're still, I consider us still very young, and we're very active, and I didn't want to look like that old guy for her. You know, after my first consultation at Hair Club, I was scared, I was nervous, I was excited. My fear was, as I was coming into Hair Club to get a toupee, and it's just not it. It wasn't until I guess I came in and with my first consultation, I actually got to meet with another client and asked a couple questions of him, and kind of took away the nervousness of it. My wife knew I was going to do this. My wife is also a member now. After I had it done, everybody was, more than anything, most of the guys at the office were more impressed. I think my coworkers wouldn't recognize me if I didn't have my hair. Like I said, I scuba dive, I inline skate, I don't worry about going out in public and having the wind blow anything off the top of my head. You know, it's a good system, and you can't tell, you know. It really is like having your own hair. I brush my hair, I style my hair, I wash my hair every day. Every day, wash and condition and style my hair, blow dry my hair every day. My wife has even mentioned how much more confident I am and more out there I am and visiting. You know, before I wouldn't walk out of the house without a ball cap, you know, except for having to go to work when I couldn't wear a ball cap. You know, those were the times that I didn't like looking at myself. My final advice for anybody, they have to come in, you have to get a consultation. I highly recommend doing this. Don't wait any longer to get your hair back. Don't wait any longer. I have had a blast having hair the last few years. And if my wife were in here, she would probably tell you the same, that I am a much more confident man.